Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today in our healthy recipe series, I'm going to show you a nice wholesome meal platter. So I'm going to show a nice chicken recipe along with some nice sauteed vegetables by the side. So we're going to do a nice lemon pepper chicken with some nice fresh sauteed vegetables. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. For this recipe I've taken 2 breasts of chicken. This is about 250 grams totally. Just make a few cuts. Now I'm going to marinate the chicken pieces. So we're going to season the chicken with some salt. It's about half teaspoon. About a teaspoon of pepper. If you like it more spicy, you can add a little more pepper. Next, add the juice of 1 small lemon. Chopped garlic, about 5 cloves. Add about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. So make sure you don't use any strong oils if you don't have olive oil. Just use something very light and mild. Next, add a few chopped coriander leaves. So the chicken pieces are infused with the flavors of garlic, lemon, pepper and salt, and of course some chopped coriander leaves. Now if you don't have coriander, you can use parsley, you can use dill. These are some of the options. Let this sit for about 15 minutes. For the sides, I've taken 3 different kinds of vegetables. 1 carrot, a couple of beans and some zucchini. I've taken 1 large zucchini, I've cut into half. Just cut the vegetables into large pieces like this. So we're going to saute the vegetables. Take a nice wide pan, add about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. To the pan, add some sliced garlic. I've taken about 5 cloves of garlic that I've thinly sliced. So I like to use a lot of garlic for my dishes because 1, it's very healthy, 2, it adds a lot of flavor, and 3, I simply love garlic. Now add the vegetables that have been cut one by one. I'm adding the carrots first. Next, add the beans. Now add the zucchini. Saute the vegetables. This will take a few minutes. I'm seasoning it with half teaspoon of salt. So you can adjust the salt according to your taste and the quantity of vegetables that you're using. About half teaspoon of pepper. And I'm also adding about 1 teaspoon of Italian herbs or Italian seasoning. This will give a nice flavor to the vegetables. So if you don't have Italian seasoning, you can use oregano. Keep the flame on low, close the pan and cook for about 5 minutes on low flame. So the vegetables are cooked, turn off the stove, keep it aside. To the same pan, add about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Keeping the flame on medium, cook the chicken pieces for about 5 minutes on each side. After 5 minutes, you can see the chicken has released a lot of juice. Flip it to the other side. Close the pan and cook for another 5 minutes. So the chicken is cooked beautifully. Here is a nice protein-rich meal platter which is good for one person. And I've used some carrots, French beans and some zucchini for vegetables, but you can use broccoli, mushrooms or any other vegetables of your choice for the sides. So this is a great recipe and it's loaded with protein. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.